Now let's use Shopify to bring your Canva design to life. Open your browser and go to shopify.com. Click on Start Free Trial and fill in your email address. You can also easily sign up with Google, Apple, or Facebook. Enter a unique store name like Ralph's Used Clothing. Not so unique, but it works. And create a password. And then here, in the initial setup, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions to set up basic store details. And this includes your location, currency, and whether you're already selling online. Also, Shopify makes it super easy with this personalized guide to get your store up and running. You just have to go through the steps and you'll be good to go in no time. But for now, let's head over to Online Store and then Themes. In this theme section, you can browse the available options and choose one that best fits your aesthetic. For now, let's just use Refresh. Click on Add. Let's go ahead and click on Customize. And remember, clean minimalist theme is great for highlighting your Canva design. All right, so in Shopify's theme editor, we're going to customize our theme just a little bit. All right, let's start with this announcement area here. And instead of welcome to our store, let's say 50% off all tees. There we go. Now let's move to our header section. And most themes will have a header block where you can upload your logo and set up navigation links. We already set logo position to top left, and we'll click on theme settings. All right, let's click select. And here's our image. Done. And there we go. All right, so you can resize this as well. And also, there are a bunch of other stuff that you can change here. You can just go ahead and just play around and find something that resonates with you. All right, so still in the header section, we can choose fields for our navigation items. If you don't want to do that now, then you can later configure these via the navigation section. So let's just quickly do this. Menu, edit. All right, so let's configure this quickly. Home, come on, is our home page. And catalog, we can change this to shop. And then we're going to leave this as all products and contact us. Okay. Yeah, let's save that. Here we go. All right. I think we're done here. Close this. All right, here's our links. Now let's switch our menu type to, let's see, drawer. Yeah, let's use that. Nice. Okay. And then here in the sticky header drop down, you can select whichever one here works for you and scroll up always. Let's try this last one. Always reduce logo size. Let's see. Oh, nice. All right. And remember, you can change the color scheme to match that of your Canva design. And again, spacing and so forth. All right, let's move now to our slide section or hero section. And let's see. Let's see if we can get our image. Add images. Let's use this one. Open. Great. And we'll click done. And there's our image. Nice. Okay, let's change this heading to what we had in Canva. It was discover unique finds for every occasion. Okay, heading size, I think that's okay. Then let's change shop all to, I think we had shop now. Okay. Great. So we've uploaded our hero image, and we also use the text fields to add a bold headline. And we also used a call to action button, which is our shop now. You can change the outline, and then you could also change the color, as I said, change the colors to match more of what we had in Canva, that light beige feel. All right, so let's go ahead and add our featured products. We have 2 products. We'll leave featured products as a heading. And okay, collection layout, we'll just use 2 columns. Okay, and then we want to head over to a dashboard and click on add product. We'll change this title to white tea. We'll put a description in now. I will do that later. Upload new. Tea there. Great. Pricing. Let's say $19.99. Quantity. Let's put this to 1. Shipping. We'll leave that. The rest we'll leave for now. Okay. Click on save. Okay, now let's add our jeans, and we'll call this blue indigo jeans. We'll leave the description again for now. Upload. Click on our jeans. Open. Great. This is $59.99. Now let's put 1 there. And then we'll leave the rest as well. Okay, and let's hit save. Great. And now we have our 2 products in stock. And we can head over to our editor, our featured blue indigo jeans, white tee. Awesome. All right, and then at the bottom here, the footer, you can place your social media icons there, as well as your privacy policy. And subscribe, email sign up. You can change this however or whichever way that fits your needs. Also, one other thing here in our menu, you can also create a contact us page by going to online store pages in your dashboard and populate these pages with text and images. Consider using Canva design to keep the branding consistent. I think we forgot, what was it? About us link. Yeah, you can go ahead and add in any other link that you choose. All right, great. So let's save this. Awesome. And then let's preview it. Let's see. Nice. Okay. Great. Awesome. Let's see our links. Shop. Awesome. And our contact us page. There we go. Back to home. And yeah. All right, let's get a mobile preview. Nice. All right, there you go. Also, don't forget to set up your checkout process. Add a test product to the cart and proceed through the checkout process. So Shopify also offers a bogus gateway for testing payment processing without a real transaction. And then you can also ask a friend or colleague to navigate your site and provide feedback on usability and design. And once you're satisfied, remove any trial banners or notifications and officially launch your store by publishing it. A few tips to remember to truly stand out. Add some interactive elements that reflect your brand's personality. There are so many to choose from. Maybe embed a short welcome video on your homepage or add subtle animations that guide visitors through your store. These little touches make a big difference. And that's it. You now know how to build a fully functional e-commerce website with Canva's free version, from planning and designing to integrating e-commerce features and testing before launch. And if you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more creative tutorials, and drop a comment sharing your e-commerce dreams or any tips you have. Remember, building a great website is all about creativity, planning, and a little bit of courage. Thanks for watching, and as always, have an epic day.